Okay, hello everyone. Zane with you, and today I'll show you how to use my Aurora forecast app for beginners. First, you want to go and download the application, and once you download it, you can simply click on open, then click on next, and click on while using the application. It will ask you for the location and background location and so on. So simply click on skip for now or give it the permission. After you give it the permission, here you can see this menu and you can share your own location from here. You can simply click on share button on the top right side and share your own location on WhatsApp or any other things. And here on the top right side, you have here this sun icon, and here it tells you exactly all the photos of the suns that you can actually get it, how to find the aurora. Here you have some pictures of the aurora. Now here in this section right here, it will show you the viewing probability. So the more negative you have this value, the more you are prone to see the aurora. So keep that in mind. So here, as you can see, this is the KP index history, the KP index upcoming hours, the KP index upcoming days, and so on. It will show you all by graphs. Here it tells you the solar wind speeds, the solar wind density. Here it tells you the solar wind BT. And here on the top right side, when you click on these three vertical dots, you want to go and click on settings. It will tell you here all the settings of your mobile application. Here you have the notification settings. It will allow notification if you want to see the aurora. Here you should check this option on, aurora viewing opportunity. Here you have the daily forecast, the high KP, and so on. You can even share the application if you want to do so by clicking on share the application. You can contact the support by clicking on contact support on the bottom right here. And you can remove ads by clicking on remove ads on the top right side. So I think I have covered all the important things in the Aurora application. Its main function is to notify you once you are prone or very near to see one of these auroras right here. And here it will show you the photos of some suns or some stars. I'm gonna click on close, and here we go. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.